Hello and welcome to another video from our CBSE Class 10 revision program. This video is brought to you by Adams Academy, an expert online tutoring service for high school mathematics. In this video, we are going to work out problems that appeared in the 2017 question paper from the lesson Areas Related to Circles. In the figure, we have three semicircles, each of diameter 3 centimeters. So, this is the first one. This is the second one. And here is the third one. Each of these semicircles has a diameter of 3 centimeters. Then there is a circle of diameter 4.5 centimeters. So this white circle here has a diameter of 4.5. Let's name that number 4. And then there is a semicircle of radius 4.5 centimeters. So they are talking about this big semicircle here that has a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. So you can say that the area of the shaded region is going to be area of the semicircle number 5 minus area of semicircle 1 because that's not shaded minus area of semicircle 3 minus area of the circle 4 plus area of semicircle 2 at the bottom. You know that area of a semicircle is half pi r square. So it's going to be half pi into r, in this case will be 4.5 minus, for 1 and 3 they have equal areas. So that's going to be half into pi into r is half of 3, which is 1.5. Area of semicircle 3 will also be half into pi into 1.5 squared. Then you need to subtract area of circle, so that's pi r squared, and circle 4 has a diameter of 4.5, so the radius is going to be 4.5 by 2. And finally you have to add area of semicircle 2, so that's half pi into radius is 1.5. If you do these calculations, you will get 3.9375 pi. Now the value of pi is not given in this question. You can use a value of 22 by 7. You will get an answer of 12.375 centimeter square. Here is another 3-mark question. We need to find the area of the shaded portion of this circular ring. Since this angle is 60 degrees, the angle here is going to be 360 minus 60 or 300 degrees. In other words, you are asked to find the area of a circular ring which subtends an angle of 300 degrees. So this is similar to finding the area of a sector. For example, if you have a sector with an angle of say 60 degrees, you know that the method to find the area is 60 by 360 into pi r squared. Finding the area of a ring whose portion has been cut out is very similar to finding the area of a sector. So in this question, you need to find 300 by 360 into area of the ring, which is 5 by 6 times area of the ring. So first we need to find the area of the ring. You know that area of the ring is pi r squared minus small r squared, where capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. So here it's going to be pi, which is 22 by 7 into 42 squared minus 21 squared, because in the question they have given the radii as 21 and 42. Now if you simplify this, you will get 4158. So the required area is 5 by 6 times 4158, which is equal to 3465 centimeter square. Here is the last question from 2017. You need to find the area and the perimeter of the shaded region. The rectangle's dimensions are given, and this semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So the diameter of the semicircle is 14 centimeters because it's a rectangle, right? So to find the area of the shaded region, you need to find area of rectangle and then subtract the area of the semicircle, which is not shaded. Area of the rectangle is 21 times 14. Area of the semicircle is half into pi r squared, and r in this case is 7 because the diameter is 14. And if you do this calculation, you will get 217 centimeter square. So that's the area. To find the perimeter of the shaded region, you need to find the sum of all the sides. Now the shaded region actually looks like this, right? So don't let this BC confuse you. BC is not part of the shaded region, and the length of BC does not form part of the perimeter. The shaded region has been redrawn here, and its sides are 21, 14, 21 again, and the length of this semicircle. So the length of this semicircle is going to be half of 2 pi r, half of 2 into 22 by 7, r is 7, which is going to be 22. So you have the perimeter as 14 plus 21 plus 21 plus 22, which is 78 centimeters. And those were the questions from 2017.